Whom do you encourage? Whom do you discourage? Whom do you hate? Whom do you love? Whom do you like? Whom do you invite as chief guest every year? Whom do you send to the airport to receive the guests? Whom do you see in the tourist spots? Whom do you see near the holy places? Whom do you see near the holy places? Whom do you shoot in public parks? Whom do you respect in your office? Whom do you stop at the school gate? Whom do you punish in the classroom? Whom do you counsel in your school? Whom do you support in politics? Whom do you oppose in the parliament? Whom do you arrest? Whom do you motivate daily? Whom do you inspire as a captain? Whom do you guide in your family? Whom do you receive at the entrance? Whom do you sponsor? Whom do you transfer in your office? Whom do you trust in your company? The WH question word whom is associated with living object, that is the receiver of the transitive action verb. When we do not know who the living object is and when we want to know who the living object is, we use this type of questions with the word whom. For example, whom do you encourage? I encourage my students. Whom do you discourage? I discourage latecomers. Whom do you hate? I hate troublemakers. Whom do you love? I love hardworking people. Whom do you like? I like children. We begin the sentences with whom do you, followed by the base form of the transitive action verb, and then we put other words. So, this question is used when we want to know who the living object is, one of the commonly and frequently used questions in communication. Read the sentences loudly, clearly, repeatedly to train the tongue. Understand the situation and the sentence structure clearly. Always make own examples to improve your spontaneity and fluency, but never do grammar exercises. They don't improve our communication skills. Thank you. Keep learning English language. Have a great time.